Hi, my name is Olaf Wilmsmeyer, and I'm here today at the booth of smart-TEC at the InnoTrans 2022. In cooperation with FEIG, smart-TEC is highlighting the capabilities of RFID and NFC. In two live applications, they are showing different kind of applications and use cases. For instance, next to me, Wayside monitoring. An RFID tag is installed on a wagon and could be identified with a trackside mounted antenna. And yes, here for demonstration we are using once again the LOCFIELD antenna to generate a localized reading zone. A real benefit and a new technology or combination of the two technologies, NFC and RFID, smart-TEC has developed, is highlighting here at the booth. That means you could get the wagon information, the serial number with UHF RFID over a distance of several meters, but also you can get the same information via NFC with your smartphone. The second application is in cooperation with Reb's Zentralschmiertechnik. The RFID reader is installed underneath the train, so it is a compact reader from FEIG, which is that ruggedized that you could directly install it underneath the train and identify ruggedized transponders from smart-TEC, a RailBlock transponder which you could install on the sleeper or within the track. You get a signal as soon as you pass the transponder, and that means with this location information you could activate, for instance, the lubrication system. The last application is about maintenance, repair and overhaul processes, which you could automate with the RFID technology. Automatically, you could identify each component and you could track the component over the overall lifetime with this kind of technology. Of course, there's a standard behind. Nothing is proprietary. Everything is fulfilling, if you like, the GS1 standard. Is this interesting for you? Have you ever seen this kind of application? Let me know your thoughts and ideas here on YouTube, on social media, or send me an email.